Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. See, I just received this package from Flipkart, which is NutriPro Bullet Juicer Mixer, which is trending currently on the Flipkart. So, as this is the summer season or for any season, that doesn't matter. To make juices or the smoothies, or for the fine powder of masala powders or the cooking powders, this would be one of the best choice. As I saw the ratings also on the Flipkart, the ratings are decent, and I got this for nearly 1500 rupees. But I already have a mixer grinder in my home. This is not specially for the mixer grinder, for the dal and everything. But now, even though if I have this, why did I buy this? See, let us first unbox this. Later I'll tell you why did I go for this. So as this is the summer season, there is the much need for the juicers actually, juices or smoothies. And these are the accessories. Okay, uh, two jars, and this is the lid, I guess. This is the lid, and this is the warranty card. Yeah, NutriPro mixer blender grinder. So let us check what are 500 watts copper motor, 24 months, that is 2 years warranty. Instruction manual means how to use and everything. Yeah. It is packed with a powerful small jar ideal to make chutneys and grind dry fruit like spices, what I have just mentioned earlier. This is for the tall jar, which is this one. This one is for the juices actually, juices and the smoothies and gravies. Okay, yeah, see here, you can use this for multiple purpose like chutney making, chopping, blending, mixing, puring. Okay, see what advantage does it has. First of all, this is transparent. For example, I'll also show you how this will work. Means I'll plug this in the power socket and I'll be just testing this. Okay, so when you grind some smoothies or juices, there is a indication of the ml, means the quantity here. Whether I can be able to record this or not. Yeah, see here, 100 ml, 200 ml, 300 ml, 400 ml. Those who are for the gym goers or something like that, when you use this like this, when you make juice or smoothie, without shifting the contents, whether it may be a juice or a smoothie, you no need to transfer this content on this to another bowl. Just simply what you can do is, there are other accessories. See, just like the bottle cap, this cap you can fix it to this one, or for the chutney making, for example, if you have prepared tomato chutney, something like that, directly you can keep this lid or the cap, and directly you can keep it in the fridge or something like that for the storage purpose. That is one more advantage. And cleaning purpose also, compared to the other conventional one, these blenders are easy. So I'll show you why. If you remove this part, we can easily clean purpose, it's okay. For example, if you prepare a fresh juice here, you can directly keep this cap over here. Remember, this is, there has no zipper here, no zipper or nothing like that. With this you can carry like this, but no zipper. Okay, yeah, maybe other blenders may have the zipper, I don't know. See, this is how you can carry. Now what we'll do is, we'll test it by keeping in this power socket. Okay, I'll be testing this now, and I'll be closing this video. If you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments. Yes, see here, it has been placed into the power socket. Now what you, the operation is simple. Just you need to place just on this top, and you, with the hand, you need to press down. Okay, the operation is pretty simple. And yeah, if anyone already using this product, you can comment how is your experience. Anyway, for using like 1 month, by doing different smoothies and juices, I'll be posting a review video. If you want the review video, please do ask in the comments. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.